it on that area where it was bubbling.
What area?
Right in here. Spray that whole area. We're going to find the bubble again. Oh, see it's making bubbles? Okay. So there it is. It's making a bubble right there. So we're going to take our pokey thing, and it's very pointy, so you have to be careful with the pointy object. Uh-oh, spray it again. Where'd the bubble go? Spray it again. Right there. Okay. That's yep, right where it makes the bubble, that's where the leak is.
There's a bubble.
Yep, the air is coming out of the tire right there somewhere. But I can't find anything. Sometimes you'll find a nail or a screw or a piece of stick or an antler. But I don't see any of that. That's it right there. So the screw fell out. It just had a hole in it. So you take your pokey thing and you do that. Just go back and forth and make the hole a little bit bigger. That way we can fit a plug in there.
Another one.
Yeah, this pokey thing has a little slot in it. And what you do with this, you put your tire plug in that slot. So we'll open up these very sticky tire plugs.
Take it out.
Don't take it out yet, because the tire will leak air much faster now that we made the hole bigger. We'll take this very sticky black rubber thing, it's called a plug, tire plug, and we put it through the slot on this slotted pokey thing.
And what's it?
That is a bottle of soapy water, and that helped us find the leak.
Well, I didn't know you had this.
I keep all kinds of important things in my barn,
What?
because I'm always trying to fix my broken things. And I break everything.
Why break everything?
Well, I break everything. It's just, it's like an accident. It just doesn't matter. Even if I'm trying to be nice to a vehicle, I just break them.
Why?
I don't know. It's like something that just happens to me. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, now we've got our plug on our slotted pokey thing. And we're going to pull the very pointy one out, and we're going to push this one in, but not too far. Just a little bit, and then we pull it out real fast, and when we do that, the plug will stay in the tire, and hopefully it won't leak air anymore. Okay, ready? You pull that out, and I'll push this in. Pull! Okay, now it's leaking air fast, and we'll put the plug in. Sometimes this can be a little bit difficult. Get in there! Okay, perfect. It's in there just the right amount. Okay, ready? Now we pull it out as fast as we can. Ready? Pull! Okay, the slotted pokey thing came out, and the plug stayed in the hole. Very good, we plugged the hole. Now what you do, take your bottle of soapy water and spray all around that plug, and make sure there's no bubbles. Because if it's leaking, it will make a bubble. Okay, spray it down. Right on the plug. Soak that thing. Soak it. Good job. Okay, is there any bubbles? No big bubbles. We did it. We fixed the golf cart tire.
What else?
We did. That's it. That's how you fix a tire.
I want something else.
Well, we'll have to go run over another screw.
What's this?
That's instructions in case you bought this and you don't know how to use it. It tells you how. But I did a better job explaining how to use it.
And then what else we do?
I think that's it. Unless we ran over 2 screws, I think we have fixed the tire. We did a great job.
Now, wait. I think I want to go on a ride on a golf cart.
You want to go on a ride now?
Yeah.
All right. Great idea.
And,
Thanks for helping me. You know how to fix everything now.
yes, I do. And I grown up.
Well, you are growing up and you learn a lot of stuff every day.